Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World. Today we are going to learn how to make Sola wood roses. Please like and subscribe my channel. Things needed: Sola wood paper, black floral tape, scissors, cotton thread, floral wire and pen for marking. Take 3 to 4 inches of floral wire and fold it at the end. Take 5 to 6 inches long, 2 to 3 inches wide Sola wood paper. Keep the floral wire's folded portion in Sola wood paper and start rolling it. Cut the Sola wood paper as shown for getting good shape for flower. Now press the bud with fingers as shown. Take 3 inches by 7 inches Sola wood paper, fold it and draw a petal shape and cut it. Cut approximately 17 petals for one flower. Arrange all the petals as shown and secure it with thread. Draw the sepal shape on black color tape and cut 4 sepal shapes for one flower. Now paste these 4 sepal shapes to the flower as shown. Now cover the flower stalk neatly with black color tape. Our beautiful Sola wood flowers are ready. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.